Hey y'all. So this is the first transaction that I did. Now, let me warn you, do not run to Dollar General and do this deal. You have to watch this full video to see exactly what I did to do this transaction. There is a special coupon that you need. You have to watch the video to see what that coupon is. So, here is my receipt. As you can see, the subtotal was 95 cents. Yes, 95 cents for all four of these items. I saved a total of $14.30. I got all of these items for 95 cents plus tax. Now, watch the whole video so that you can see what coupon I used, what special coupon I used. Now, keep in mind, it is a digital coupon that I used for this transaction. And also, in the video, I'm going to show you some of the Red Dot Home clearance items and some additional Dollar General clearance event items that are, on clearance. Also, I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thank you to my loyal subscribers that like my videos, that share my videos, that comment, and that have subscribed to my channel. I really, really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Keep watching. Hey y'all. So I'm in Dollar General. Um, so I have these coupons. Yeah, I know I'm finna do some damage. Well, no, not damage, but I'm finna get some stuff for little or nothing. So if you want to see what I'm gonna pick up, keep watching. The first thing I'm gonna pick up are two of these Vaseline lotions. They are priced at $4. We are gonna use the coupons shown. So these are a few of the Green Dot Home items that are on clearance. They are an additional 50% off. So these right here, they're $1. There's the barcode. And the blue one is $1. These right here, they are not included. So these are $3.25. They're normally $6 and something. I don't know. I think I'm gonna pass. Keep watching. We are gonna get one of these. It is priced at $4. We're gonna use the coupon shown. Keep watching. We're gonna pick up one of these. I haven't tried this one before, but it's $3.25. We're gonna use the coupon shown. Keep watching. So the Angel Soft right here, the gray one, the Ultra Soft, that has the baby on the front, is $2.80. So it's the 6 Mega Rose, and I'm gonna get some of these too. Keep watching. Alright you guys, so if you made it to this part in the video, this is the last coupon that I used. Hopefully you have these on some of your Dollar General accounts. If not, then I hope you get one in the near future. Keep watching.